at the beginning, let us learn about the poet for the chapter The Hack Driver. Harry Sinclair Lewis, born by the year 1885 up to 1951, he was an American novelist, short story writer, and a playwright. Playwright means drama. He is the first American writer to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature that you should know about. Some of his novels are Hike and the Aeroplane, The Job, an American novel, Free Air, etc. Now the present story, The Hack Driver. Before I explain you by line, by words, by sentences, let me brief you with what you are going to learn about in terms of summary of the chapter. The narrator of the story explains that after completing his graduation, he started working with a famous law firm in the city. He was working as an assistant clerk there. He was not very happy with his job of serving summons calls, as I told you before, because sometimes he had to face harsh situations while serving them, while calling people, while serving the summons. One day he got the task of serving call to Oliver Lutkins, who was a key witness in some case, and he was living in a small town named New Million. Then what next? The narrator was very excited to visit a small and beautiful town, but his excitement ended by the dull appearance of the town. Means he thought of something different about a village, about that place, but situation, appearance was completely, entirely different what he thought of. So he saw a hack driver there, a car driver there, standing at the platform, who was very cheerful and nice. Person was cheerful and nice. He went up to him and inquired about Oliver Lutkins, as he was new to the town and wanted to find him. He shared the same, that he wanted Oliver Lutkins. Here you have to remember this part of the chapter, right? Because at last you may have question in your mind. So better you keep this now, that he shared that he wanted Oliver Lutkins. The driver told him that Oliver was a nasty man who owed debt to many people. He is not a good man that had borrowed money from many people. Also mentioned that he also cunningly extracted information from the lawyer, and he needed Lutkins for some court case. So that he also cunningly extracted information from the lawyer. Extracted means taken out, got the information. Okay, fine. Then a deal was a deal was cracked between both. What? He decided to hire Bill's hack, Bill's cart, Bill's vehicle. उसने बिल की गाड़ी को हायर किया. That was the deal. And go on a search for Lutkins. And in that vehicle, in that cart, in that hack, he started searching for Oliver Lutkins. Bill somehow traps the lawyer in his story, and they visit different places in search of Lutkins. Bill, name of the hack driver. So Bill somehow traps the lawyer in his story, and they started visiting from places to places in search of Oliver Lutkins. He always asks the lawyer stay behind, means wherever they go, Bill was there to move forward, or to go inside the shop, or to go inside the house to ask for Oliver Lutkins, and lawyer used to wait behind, means maybe near cart, maybe near this hack. So he always asks the lawyer to stay behind. They go to Fritz to catch Lutkins while playing poker, but he tells them that he has just gone to Gustav for a shave. Okay, first place, that yes, Oliver Lutkins was here, but he had just gone to Gustav for shaving. Gustav may be barber's name. Okay, at Gustav's shop, they were not able to meet him, and were told there that someone saw him at the pool room. I'm sorry, he is not here. Now you can find him in the pool room, that someone saw him. Okay. Here also somebody said that he left the pool room after buying cigarettes. Okay. They were not able to find. Then Bill described Lutkins as a cunning man. Bill telling to that lawyer, that advocate, that oh, Lutkins is a cunning man, and guessed that he must have gone to Grace for a shave, means another place. In the afternoon, from morning till afternoon, they went on searching, and now by the afternoon, Bill offered him to buy lunch from his wife, as it would be less costly than at the restaurant. Is that okay? Fine, you can come to my house, you may have your lunch, and it would cost you less than any restaurant. Okay. They had lunch at Wets Hill, which was a very beautiful place. By that time, the clerk was totally impressed by Bill's nice and cheery nature. Okay, how good this man is, that taking me in his cart, in his hack. Okay, of course, Lair had to pay, but then also that he offered me lunch, and that too with a less cost, right? So he was impressed by his nice and cheery nature. He had even started comparing village people to city people. Okay. Later on, they went to search for Lutkins at his mother's house on the basis of information that he derived from one of his friends. One of his friends said that he might be there, right? Mother's house. There, the lady was horrible, and they hurriedly left the place. Something happened there. Mother did not behave well, Lutkin's mother, as per the information, and so they hurriedly left the place, as she was about to attack them with a hot iron rod. At last, the liar had to leave without serving summons to Lutkins, that he could not serve. He could not meet Oliver Lutkins, so he could not serve the call. He could not serve the summons. Next day, when he was scolded badly by his chief, by his boss, and was again sent to New Milan with a companion who knew Lutkins. And this time, with this lawyer, there was another man who was knowing that who Lutkins was. Right? So these two people, these two persons, they came once again to New Milan. Upon reaching the station, the clerk happily pointed out the Bill was such a helpful person to him, Search Lutkins. Right? This is the man that in my last visit he helped me a lot, right, to find Lutkins. He is a good man. At this time, the truth was revealed by his companion, that the hack driver himself was none other than Lutkins himself. That the same man, right, move round and round and round to all New Million village, that, and he himself was Lutkins. The clerk felt so bad and ashamed of how he had been fooled by a villager.